Cool. Let's go. Alright. I take back what I said about those bots. And your height. And those dumb pants. I would make fun of their dumb faces. But they're us. We look stupid. Come on, guys. Take out their healer. It's super annoying to kill people twice. Think you can keep up? Who am I kidding? You know you can't keep up. Hey, Phoenix. If I die, Viking funeral. All the way. Oh, my back hurts. Everyone's so heavy. I know your tricks, Wind Girl. You're not faster than me. Watch out for Breach's impacts. It's hard to move after that. And the spike's still in base.
Nothing stays hidden from me. Nothing. Breach. I took a servo from your arms for my tripwire. Don't be angry. Breach. I've always wanted to pry my way in here. Don't mind if I just leave some gifts behind. Izzy, don't tinker with my gadgets. I don't need exploding cameras again. The cleanup was so messy. I must survive to protect my family. I can't lose them. I can't feel that pain again. Phoenix, whoa, you are really aggressive. I'm impressed. And a little scared.
If that Sova thinks an arrow will stop me, he's got another thing coming. My fist. Bombshell! Together again and we're not even breaking the law. Who'd have guessed? Been pulling jobs like this for years. Risky? Sure. But never boring. A second breach, huh? This might be a fair fight after all. I don't need these arms to fight, but they're fun. Might as well use them. So the Italian has some fancy toys. Let's break them. Let that Phoenix run his mouth. We'll shut them up soon enough.
Nothing fancy, yeah? We go in, we crush them, we get out. You got fire in your eyes, Phoenix. I like that.
We treat this like any other job. No more, no less.
I don't have to pack heavy. These arms are heavy enough.
That monk thinks she's an angel. Let's clip her wings.
Just me, my squadzinho, and a few tons of dynamite. There's nothing we can't do. Reach! Brajobachi! Did I say that right? Jobachi. Okay, mia familia. Leave the fireworks to me. Should be plenty loud for you to have some fun. Finally back out in the field. Let's go. There's so many new toys I want to try out. Brimstonezinho, you sure I can't listen to music? You're really bringing me down here, man. I promise I'll get him. Might take down a city block along the way, but hey, a win's a win. Even if I go out, I'll go out with a bang. Just promise you'll dance at my funeral, okay? This poor place. You used to be so beautiful. Don't worry. I'll send you off with a bang.
Watch them run when lit by my sonar. That's when we strike.
My babushka told me not to brag, but for this I make an exception.
In the wild, fire means life. You be our fire, Phoenix. Their hawk is fast.
So are rabbits and squirrels. I hunt both.
I did not expect a healer to fight so well. You are incredible.
A bow and arrow is old-fashioned, but sometimes old ways are best.
Sova, I spared you when we first met. I can't let you go again. Thank you, Omen. Startled prey is easier to hunt.
A little recognition is nice now and then. Thank you.
We are strong because we are together. Don't forget that.
May wind guide your blades, Hawk. And my arrows.
No one can hold their breath forever. Sabine, what have you been working on over there? I'm curious, but you don't need to be alive for me to find out. Do me a favor, Breach, and open them up. Toxin works best when directly injected. They are not important. Let's move through them, like smoke through lungs. Only 5 of them? Pity I brought enough poison for 50. You can't say I'm not prepared. Don't tell me what to do, old man. Someone will die, no matter how fancy our strategy. The lies we've told this city. Just to pry it open and suck it dry.
This is crazy. It feels like we've been doing this forever. Anyone else feel like that? Just me? Okay. Who else is having a great time? Just me? I'm gutted. Yo, Sova, that house pretty dope. Will look a lot better with some flame decals on it, right? There can only be one Phoenix. I'm coming for you. Who's this other Phoenix guy? Nah, mate, you're mine. Their healer is nothing. I'll burn them faster than they can mend. Good thing you have that mask on, Breach. I cannot compete with those looks, man. Just keep your tech off my flames, yeah? Wouldn't want to fry your circuitry. Come on, bruv. Like it was gonna happen any other way. Yes, it's me. Autographs if we survive, yeah? They're still fighting. after seeing what we can do? Not wise. Easy, mate. There can only be one hero. Either spend all your money or give it to me. Good cause either way. One more win and we're getting out for drinks, lads.
They think I'm an old dog? I'll show them just how many tricks I know. We're fighting a phoenix? Book your vacations now. This is gonna be exhausting. Viper, watch those toxins this time. I'm not breathing in that crap again. I can't close the settings menu on my bracer. How do I... Oh, got it. That Brimstone's a stubborn ass. Reminds me of someone. I would hate working here. You couldn't pay me to sit at a desk. They've got one ugly-looking crew. No offense to any of us. I like the enthusiasm, but no one grabbed the spike. They can throw the whole playbook at us. I've seen it all before. If any of you got a problem with me, take it out on my double. The enemy needs a good scare.
I am both shield and sword. I wasn't strong enough before, but now I am strong enough for us all. I know I am over there, but my mind rejects the thought. Does she feel the same? This place, I can feel its pain. It aches for redemption. Delilah, your methods are unwise, but I cannot deny they are potent. This place is a testament to science, a testament to folly. My power does not ebb. Ask for aid, and you shall receive. The blossom wavers in strong wind. Yet I am no flower. My purpose is my gift. Be not afraid to accept it. I will soothe this turmoil. With fire, if I must. I will defend you all with my power and with my life. Together, we will bury them under their transgressions. Stand tall. We are Valorant. We are fighters. Look at me and know that I am by your side.
I am the beginning. I am the end. There is another of me. How many times did I get ripped apart? How many times did I die? Sabine, look at the monsters we've become. At least you have flesh to hide your horror. A radiant healer is with them. I can feel her pull against the natural balance. Sage, the life you give. Do you ever wonder where it's taken from? Just think, Sabine. You used to heal with your skill. Funny, if I must live in this nightmare, my enemies might as well join me. Do they know what it means to be truly afraid? I'll show them. Who will they cry for once they know they're going to die?